guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, if you can already tell by the title, is going to be a gold smoky eye, which is this look that I'm wearing here, and it's also featuring Halal cosmetics. Ooh, what are those? So if you guys want to see this video, stay tuned. Hey guys, so the first thing I'm going to do, since I already did my eyebrows and my foundation, is I'm going to put a little bit of setting powder underneath my eyes in case I have any fallout with this look. I'll be using my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. That done, let's start this smoky eye. Okay, the first color I'm going to go in with is from my JaclynHillxMorphe palette, and it's this shade right here. I think this is Pukey. I don't know the colors, but I think so. So let's go in with Pukey. There. Excuse me. Whew. Okay, and the other color I'm going to do, because I want this to be like a really brownish, goldy, smoky eye. Yeah, feel me? Okay. So I want to go in with this brown color here with a smidgen of this here. So this brown color here and this color there. Just want to like touch the two real quick and just go over that first color. And now I want to go back in with a darker brown, so I'm going to take this brown color here from my JaclynHillxMorphe palette, just a really bit of this brown because this brown is really brown. A little bit on my brush. I'm using the same brush that I started with, and just there. So I'm going to like circle and then kind of like blend it. Yeah, I just want to make sure like all those colors are super blended. I mean, like, what do we hate more than eyeshadow that's not blended, right? I mean, well, that's me. Oh, I hate to see people out in the streets with like blocks of colors. My gosh, one block brown, one block green, one block blue. Like, what are you, a Lego piece? Oh my god. No. I mean, leave that in 2017, please. Jeez, I mean, I'm no makeup artista. I'm just saying. Right? This is like really simple though. It's like not anything extravagante. Really isn't. And then I want to take this gold color from my Morphe 35O, this gold color right here, and this is a flat brush. Yep. Oh, sometimes I really hate to use these kind of brushes to put these types of shades on my eye. You know what? I'm going to use my finger. So yeah, on my finger, and oh my gosh, so much better. Like, oh my goodness, do you see that difference? Yeah, so that gold color is going on top. Ooh, this is looking nice. And why I always open my mouth when I'm doing things. I mean, I don't know, I consciously try not to open my mouth, but I can't help it. I'm only human. don't judge me. And then I would take back that same brush and just put a little bit more of that brown color that I used last from the Jaclyn Hill palette and just go underneath my eyes, just, you know, make everything come as one. Yes, not too much. I mean, it is pretty dark. I'll try to keep my mouth closed. I mean, I'm not catching flies, but I can't seem to control that. Okay. And then in my inner corner, I'll go in with this. What shade will I go in with? I mean, sometimes I forget how these shades look. I'm like, okay, in my inner corner, I'll go in with this color from my Jaclyn Hill palette. I think this is either Beam or Sunlight or something light. My tear duct area. I think I'm going to take a little bit of Queen from Jaclyn Hill palette, just like a smidgen of Queen, and just like dot it right there. And just highlighting my brow bone with this shade here from my Kat Von D contour palette. And that is my eye look. Let me just finish this up so you guys can see the completed look. Give me 2 seconds. Okay, this is the look with the eyelashes. I just didn't brush off that excess powder and put on any lips as yet. I waited to do that with you guys because it's this new lip something that I got. It's supposed to be halal. I'm not sure what makes it halal, but yeah. So let me just dust off this powder. This is everything. And this now, the lip is this Purbasari High Matte Lip Cream that I got. It's supposed to be halal, like halal cosmetic line from Indonesia or something like that. So I want to try. I wore the other color. I have another color in it, like a pinkish type of color that I wore, and I kind of like that one. But at the end of the day, it was still a little bit red for me. But this one, I don't know. I want to try it and see. I'm not sure. Pretty muddy, if you ask me about it. And it's supposed to be halal. That's the only reason why I'm trying it. You know, so here goes nothing. Okay, this is actually not bad, but I would wear a lip liner with this. I mean, is it really going with the look? I mean, I don't know. I just like nude lips, and this is really like turning, I don't know, it's like this nudish type of color, but I think it really has a lot of orange in it. I'm seeing a lot of orange coming through. Not bad, it's, you know, cute and whatever, but I guess it can work. I don't know. What do you guys think? Like this video right now if you like this lip color, so I'll know, you know, if to wear it or not. I mean, it kind of goes with this look in a different type of way. I don't know. But I did I say that I did my face, like I did my highlights and contour and stuff off this video. I didn't want this video to be too long, and I know you guys already know what I use, my Kat Von D, and I use the Milani Strobe Light Highlighter in Sun Glow. But this, can't really see. I wanted, like, you know, not much highlight. I mean, my eyes are doing the most. So yeah, this is the completed look. Oh, and I forgot to set my face, so let's do that. Okay, and that is it. That is the end of this look. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making this video as I enjoyed making all of my videos for you guys. Don't forget to like this video if you didn't already. Subscribe to my channel so we can become one big happy group of people who follow Nafisa. And don't forget to share this video with your friends. Hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye!